Welcome back to the Reset Project. My name is Tristan, and if you're new here, I'm documenting my journey from homelessness, bankruptcy, and a 490 credit score to stability, ownership, and financial freedom. Today, I'm getting ready to send out my first pay for delete letters, and I figured this could help anybody trying to fix their credit in 2025 or 2026, especially if you're rebuilding after collections, charge-offs, or Chapter 13 like me. I'm going to walk you step by step through my actual pay for delete letter, explain what every section means, and show you how to negotiate a deletion without admitting liability or getting stuck with a paid collection that still hurts your score. Let's jump over the screen share and get right into it. Okay, so here we are inside the Reset Project Pay for Delete letter. You can find this over on Buy Me a Coffee and download it, edit it for your own use if you need it. This first section is simple but important. Your name, address, phone, email, and today's date. This is here so the collector can verify your identity and respond back correctly. You're not admitting anything, you're just telling them where to send the acceptance letter. Below that, you add the collection agency's name and the account number so there's no confusion about which debt you're talking about. This opening section is very important and reads as follows. To whom it may concern, I'm writing regarding the above referenced account currently being reported on my credit file. I'm requesting to resolve this account in full in exchange for the complete removal of all associated negative information from my credit reports with Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. This letter is not an admission of liability. I simply wish to settle this matter in a way that is mutually beneficial. This part is critical. You never want to admit the debt is yours. Why? Because debt collectors rely on you making a mistake. If you admit liability, you reset the clock, you strengthen their case, and you lose leverage. This next section is your offer, and this is how you control the terms. This line protects you. It keeps the negotiation safe and professional. My offer. I'm willing to pay X amount of dollars in full, or the current settlement amount mutually agreed upon, on the condition that all negative reporting, including late payments, charge-off status, and any derogatory marks is permanently deleted from all 3 credit bureaus. The account is reported as deleted or paid as agreed or paid in full, whichever the company prefers, as long as it removes the derogatory impact. This is where you tell them exactly what outcome you want. Deleted or paid as agreed or paid in full. Any of those options removes the negative impact. Here, you're making the offer on your terms, not theirs. Not what they want, not a settlement that still leaves a stain on your report. If you're paying, the goal is deletion, not just paid collection or settled, because those still hurt your credit score almost the same. This next section is the terms, and this is your protection. Before sending payment, I require written confirmation on company letterhead that you agree to remove all negative information related to this account from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. The deletion will occur within 10 to 30 days after receiving payment. No further collection activity will take place afterward. The account will not be resold or reassigned. This section protects you from getting scammed. Some collectors will promise something on the phone, but never put it in writing. And if it's not in writing, it doesn't exist. Written confirmation means proof that they accept the deal. Deleted within 10 to 30 days. Prevents them from dragging their feet. No further collection activity. Once you pay, they can't keep chasing you. Not resold or reassigned. This keeps the debt from popping back up later with a different collection agency, which happens all the time. This entire section ensures you pay once and the problem is gone forever. And this section is the payment timeline. I can make payment within 24 hours of written acceptance of this agreement. Upon receipt of your confirmation, I will immediately follow through with the agreed upon payment. Please send written acceptance to my mailing address or email listed above. Thank you for your time and cooperation. I look forward to resolving this matter promptly. Sincerely, your name. This tells them I'm serious, I'm ready, and I'm easy to work with, but only if you accept the terms in writing first. Collectors want fast money. This gives you leverage. The closing is professional, firm, and to the point. No emotional language, no apologies, no admitting anything. You're trying to solve a problem the cleanest way possible. Before you send this, make sure all communication stays in writing. No phone calls, no verbal agreements, no giving your debit card information to a collector, unless the deletion agreement is signed. And remember, I can't guarantee results. Some companies do pay for delete, some don't. But this letter gives you the best shot. If you want this exact pay for delete letter, I've linked it in the description. It's over on my Buy Me a Coffee page. It's completely free to download and edit with your personal details. And while you're there, don't forget to grab the Reset Project Budget Tracker Bundle. All my early supporters get access for free. If this video helped you, please hit like so YouTube knows it's valuable. And subscribe if you're following my journey out of Chapter 13, rebuilding credit and getting my life back piece by piece. Stay blessed, stay vigilant, and I'll see you in the next one.